Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a new product from ThruNite. This is the ThruNite TH02. It comes with a rechargeable battery, comes with a bunch of other things, and we'll get into that box. The battery, I think, is 1100 mAh, so it should last you quite a bit. Most of the people that are going to use this flashlight are people that are hikers or campers or somebody like that. It's a great little product. This one retails for $45.95 in black. They also have a red one that's right now you can get it on the website for $49.95. So for a couple extra bucks you get something that's I think a little bit more cherished or a little nicer. Not that big of a deal, but again, to each his own. All right. If you're familiar with ThruNite, you know that it comes with different modes. Turbo mode is the 1500 lumens. So for a small little flashlight like that, 1500 lumens is pretty good. You have it for about 2 minutes, and then it's going to gear down to about 340 lumens. So for 60 minutes. Okay, so you don't have indefinite power source, but if you need that high turbo mode, you got it. Mode high is 450 lumens for 70 minutes. Mode medium is 85 lumens for 6 hours, 6.5 hours. Low is 9 lumens for 44 hours, and Firefly is 0.6 lumens for 20 days. That's the lowest setting. And you also have a feature on here called SOS, which is 450 lumens, 465 minutes. So SOS makes sense if you're somebody that's out in the woods, out in the wilderness, you called search and rescue because you're lost, you just put it on that mode and it works out pretty good. I did get a note from the vendor, and basically they talked about turbo mode. Turbo mode will go low from turbo to low in a very short time, maybe 2 seconds or less. This is caused by low battery voltage. The turbo mode requires a high battery voltage and limited by the battery capacity. A high voltage will not last so long. If the brightness ramp down shortly, please kindly get the battery fully charged. So basically what they're saying is if your battery is not fully charged, instead of lasting that 2 minutes, you're probably going to last 2 seconds. So that just basically means you have to recharge that battery. Okay, if that's a problem, you could call ThruNite and they'll work with you. They told me just to put that out there on the video. All right, so on this side, this is it's all O-rings here, so you don't have to worry about water. I think water, they said up to waterproof up to 2 meters and drop up to 1.5 meters. Okay, the intensity mode is 3520 CD, and the distance is 118 meters max. Okay, so if you wanted to replace your battery, you have the cap on this side, and then on this side you have your rechargeable. Okay, like I said, mini to large USB, and then on this side you have your on and off switch. All right, if you wanted to, there's your SOS. 1 2 3 dash 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 dot dot dot. Then if you want to cycle through, as you can see, and I'll do the darkness test as well. I just wanted to give you an idea. So this comes with a rubber backing. All this you can pull the flashlight completely out. The strapping is adequate. It's very comfortable. You have adjustments on the side and then over the top, depending if you have a fat head or not. Okay, so pretty simple design. Let's look inside the box, see what else we get. So again, like I said, it comes with the rechargeable USB. You have the regular size USB to the mini. It comes with the extra rubber backing in case something like that breaks, which is cool. Comes with all the documentation and paperwork. It also comes with 2 O-rings and 2 USB rubber replacement pieces, so if that thing breaks off, you can fix it. All right, let's get. I'm going to turn it off, turn the lights off, and let's get into the dark mode. All right, guys. So I'm going to get it as dark as I can. So that's probably going to be your high. That's your turbo. That's your SOS one. Let's see. That's your turbo. That's your Firefly. See how low the Firefly is? I mean, that's really low. this is your SOS. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so turbo mode, and then you can probably sight, there's your cycle through, low, medium, high, firefly, low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. Alright guys, so like I said, for, less than 50 bucks, it seems like a good product. I tested it walking around a little bit. It seemed to be very comfortable to me. I think a lot of these things don't really take comfort into effect, but you have 1500 lumens if you need it, if it's well charged. 180 meter throw, that's pretty good beam distance. And you have like 5 modes, so what else do you need? Comes with all the kit that you need. So I'll put the links down below, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, put all the information down below, share this product. Also go to Three River Blades, check out all the stuff we have up there if you want to support us, and check out the links below for this flashlight if you're interested. As always, guys, please stay safe.